Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make planners using Canva. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Once you're signed in, go to the search bar at the top and type in Planner. Canva will show you a lot of ready-made planner templates. You can choose from daily planners, weekly planners, meal planners, and more. Click on a template you like. It will open in the Canva editor. Here, you can change the text, colors, and layout to fit your needs. Click on any text box to edit it. For example, if it says Today's Schedule, you can change it to Daily Goals or anything you want. You can also add your own elements. Go to the left panel and click on Elements. From here, you can add shapes, lines, icons, and more. To keep your planner looking clean, use simple shapes like boxes and lines to create sections. If you want to add your own branding, click Uploads to add your logo or images. Drag them onto the page and place them where you like. Once your planner is ready, click Files at the top left, then select Download. Choose PDF for printing, or PNG if you want to share it digitally. Make sure the quality is set to high. Now your planner is ready to use. You can print it, share it, or sell it. Thanks for watching.